Good morning, my viewers. This morning, I'd like to talk about dating, and I would like to talk about the type of men you ladies should avoid dating. There are certain men, even if they want to date you, you should be very, very careful to date them. That those type of people or men, they are those who will be emotionally distanced. People will be with you physically, but mentally and even at practical level, they may be manifesting that they surely don't need you. These are people whom you are with in a restaurant, but you find that they are busy on their phone, they are busy texting, or they are busy even receiving emails. These are people who are physically with you, but emotionally they are not with you. You should avoid dating men who will not be emotionally available. Two, there are men who are just narcissists. A narcissist is somebody who loves themselves so much. They are always talking about themselves. It is I. And they always expect you to give them compliments and continuously too. These people, you should be very, very careful about narcissists because narcissists along the way, they are going to give you problem. And a narcissist will not even say, I'm sorry, even when they are about you. Then there are men who are just who are draggers. They are going to drag you years and years. They don't define the relationship. You are always on the friend zone continuously. They don't tell you what they want. They are not very clear. They don't define the relationship. You are always in a situationship. And so it's good to avoid this type of men who don't tell you what they want and they will keep on dragging you years and years. Then there is there is this guy who never grew up. This is the mama's boy. He is always childish, he doesn't change, he doesn't prove his character because he was spoiled, he was pampered. In terms of responsibility, he cannot afford to be responsible because that is a world which is strange to him. So this guy will always be behaving childish, will always expect you to do everything for him, will always expect you to pay for the dates, will expect you to plan for the date. They are not ready to do anything. Even planning a date, it is you to do all the planning. This is a type of man, a guy you have to avoid to date. Then there is a person who lives a double life. This is a guy who is an hypocrite. What he manifests to you is not what he is. Along the way, you come to discover this was a totally different person from what you think you knew. He is the characteristics which he tried to manifest is not what he is. He is a totally different person. And there is a person, if there is a person you have to avoid, it is a person living a double life. In other words, this is a person who is an hypocrite. And an hypocrite, somebody who is not genuine, is going to make your life miserable along the way. Then there is this guy who is going to text you, then disappears, appears, disappears, keep on ghosting you. He is actually a permanent ghoster. He keep on ghosting you. He disappear even for a year, then come back. After a month, disappear, come back. Please avoid dating such a fellow. Then there is this guy who is a smart guy. It's not that he is smart, but this guy will always try to portray, to tell you how brilliant he is, how sharp he is, and how other people are useless. This fellow This fellow can be dangerous, and maybe it's somebody you have to avoid. The one who over glorifies himself. He doesn't see other people. There's no space for other people. He is the only player in the social arena. Then there is this guy who is just an idler. He doesn't work. He's always moving up and down. This person can be a nuisance to you, can resurface in your place of work or even at your home without any notice. Such a person, you have to be very, very careful. Then there is somebody, a guy who is an idealistic, a person who always is living in a world of utopia. He has got very mysterious ideas, very strange ideas of how he is going to become successful. But then, when you try to weigh within the level of reality, you'll find that this gentleman is just painting things. It's just like the way someone was painting in the book Animal Farm about the sugar candy mountain, where animals will go when they die, and every day is a Sunday. So this person, this idealistic person, will come to you with a very idealistic thing, will try to flatter you, but is trying to win you. This idealistic guy is a guy you have to be very, very careful. Then there is this other guy who calls himself a nice person. Says I'm nice, he overblows his trumpet. Why don't you let other people try to assess your personality? Then there is this other guy who is always telling you about how crazy the ex was. When you get a man who is telling you always how the ex was bad, then there is a problem. Because all the exes could not have been bad. He might also have been contributed to the breakup of the relationship, but he won't always to play the victim card. Thank you, ladies. I hope you have understood about the guys you have to avoid to date so that you don't make costly mistakes. Have a lovely day, and for those who have not subscribed to my channel, A Moment with Rukwaru, I encourage you so that you get more. I'm with Mutia Rukwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Thank you.